Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bring new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Olai Bye Bye. Olai Bye Bye, guys, this amazing project. So we discuss more detail about this project. Olai Bye Bye, the world first hybrid meme coin. Olai Bye Bye OLB. A hybrid meme is a fusion of one and utility combining RWA like gold EDG with creative meme concepts. And next guys, you can check here, you can scroll down and see this picture of Olai Bye Bye USD Bitcoin BFFT on Mars. Only gold bananas are money. And next guy, you can check here the total supply of this project. OLB launch price 0.00005. Solana smart contract address, you can check here, you can copy this contact address, then you can buy OLB on exchanges. You can check here, no taxes, no VC, no wheels, no bullshit, pure gold back meme. And next guys, we discuss how to buy OLB. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet, you can click here, then you can connect Phantom wallet, then you can purchase Solana now, then you can buy now. If you want to buy OLB, then you can enter your Solana amount. For example, I Solana amount here, then you can see this, you can see OLB amount now, you can see this. And next guy, you can check here legal disclaimer. Legal disclaimer: investment in hybrid meme coin involve risk including potential loss of principal. The company does not guarantee any returns or protect against losses. Please invest responsibility and seek independent advice if needed. And next guys, we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see this Olai Bye Bye powered by Eldorado Gold official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 743 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can check here official website link. You can check here Eldorado Gold stablecoin official website link. You can check here, you can join this group, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can click this any detail, you can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open now. Contract wolf, you can check here. Olai Bye Bye any detail. Olai Bye Bye was born with important missions of building the gold bananas ecosystem. It will play a critical role in creating a new ecosystem by bridging the real world and the virtual world through gold banana. You can check here, you can see this, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. You can scroll down and see this edit history. You can check here all edit history of this project or LLB. And next guys, we back to the home page and see this more details guys. You can buy 100 USD or like Bye Bye, then you can receive 50 USD of pure gold L extra by Eldorado Gold. So guys, you can go fast, then you can buy now. And next guys, we go to more detail about this project. You can see this PDF of this project or like Bye Bye page is open. You can check here PDF the world first hybrid meme coin or like Bye Bye. Guys, you can invite your friend 5 and you can invest $50, then you can unlock your reward now. You can get bonus 8% during private sale. You can check here key features of Olai Bye Bye. You can see this launch detail, official website link, total supply, launching price. You can check here, you can see this how to buy. So first of all, you can purchase Solana through Phantom wallets, then you can buy on the official website. We'll discuss this how to buy. Next you can check here more detail, you can read it carefully. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Olai Bye Bye powered by Eldorado Gold official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here and official, you can see this official website. You can like and comment this post. You can check here all details. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to the Eldorado Gold official website. So we go to website. Guys, you can see this Eldorado Gold official website open. You can check here our detail about Eldorado Gold, Olai by powered by Eldorado Gold. You can check here our details. Join with Eldorado World. And guys, this is amazing project. You can see this. You can invest now, then you can get profit now. You can check here our details. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.